If you are someone who is using Claude Code and don't know what is their usage, then this tool will help you show your usage in your Claude Code. If you are hitting weekly limit fast, if you are hitting your daily limit, your hourly limit fast, and you don't know where you are messing up, then this tool will help you understand in which project what tool you are using, what tokens are you using. So let's get into the video. So you can see I have this GitHub repository which I will link in the description, and that is CC usage. And in this particular repository, you can see that how to install it. You can just use npx if you're using Node Package Manager, and if you're using PNPM, if you're using Bun, you can use any of this. I use npx, so you can go in the terminal, you can paste this command, and let me zoom it for you. You can easily paste, and if you press enter, it will download the latest CC usage. Now you can press Y and it will install it for you. Once it is installed, then you can go here in the bottom and you can see how to get the CC usage and daily usage, monthly usage, session wise usage in blocks and status line and real-time dashboard, a lot of things in your local time zone. And also this will really help you to understand a lot of things before you waste your tokens in Claude Code. So the only way to preserve something is to measure it, right? And that's what we are measuring it. So you can see I've used that particular command of CC usage, and it is showing me the daily report. Now if I paste the CC usage, it will again show me the daily usage. So you can see right now it shows $536. I only pay for $20 and $20. So I think it is showing for only one account. If I log in the other account, it will show the price of that. And if you want to show by the project wise, I think it shows by the project wise as well. So if I do CC usage session, it will show me through the projects. So you can see I am right now working with a lot of tools. So behind image, video, text, between Next.js Web, and also macOS 101, how much tokens I'm using, and the most used project is app Subclip because it was, I think, Expo project. So it is showing me $321. And this is Subclip Web, which is again an internet tool. So for everything we are creating, like I am creating, it is creating a session. So similar to that, and if you want to see live usage, you can see that, and you can do a compact analysis also. So if you want to show someone your screenshot of how much Claude Code you are using, you can flex it by using this command, and it will get you in the summarized format. So you can just copy this one and you can just paste this one. So right now you can see for today, I used this one, yesterday, the day before yesterday, and also all the prices are updated here. Now, if you want to do it monthly, it can also show you the monthly report. And what report? I think it is showing of the last 30 days. If you want to show the current month, it will show you this one. So October, $373, September, $163. So this is the tool which I wanted to show you for today's update, in which you can really see how much token are you using per session, per project, daily, and you can easily understand how to optimize your prompt, how to optimize your token so that you don't waste, you don't hit the daily and the monthly limit or the weekly limit fast. So this is it, and this is the update I wanted to give because a lot of tools are there and people are not aware of that. And in my channel, I cover all those which are very required for every entrepreneur, and this will help you to track your tokens. So I will see you in the next video with another update. Till then, take care and bye.